Hi guys, welcome to Razon Kids Club. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Don't believe me? Here it is. Still don't believe me? Just keep watching. Firstly, we need to take these up. Still don't believe me? Watch to the end. So firstly, you see it's an iMac. It has these 3 cameras. It even says right here, iPhone, iMac. What I said, iPhone. So let's get unboxing. So let's take these off. I already took them off because who knows. But now we have it. There's many types you can get. So there's silver, gold, serene blue, which I got. There's one more. I forgot. Tell me in the comments. So we have firstly the iMac. As you can see it right here. Look at the colors. Serene blue. Let's leave it right here carefully. Then we have like this setup thingy. Yeah. We have like a cord, I think. That's what they call it. A instruction, I think. And we have an Apple iStick. I think that's what I call it. I'll call it like that. Let's just put these back in. You'll need the sticker, the Apple Watch sticker. Then we have this cable here, the lightning cable, but there is no charger. That's sad. But we have a cable here. So we'll just leave it here. We're going to see the iMac. But before, I want to stick this on. Should I stick this on? The back or the front? Where should I stick on the front, guys? It's still on the back. So I think you have to put it on top of the logo. I'd know. But if I'm wrong, I'll stick it off. So then we take it off. Oh my god. Look at it. It looks so cool, right? So firstly we need to turn this on. Is that a battery? Oh, it's not. It's not working. Take it off. Oh, okay, it's working now. I don't know what happened. It took too long, I think. As you can see, the Apple logo's here. Hello! As it says here. That's odd. I've never seen... If you're seeing this video and you understand what this is writing, tell me in the comments. What should we do? Well, we'll just do English. Select your country and region. I mean Australia. Same language. Why did I say Bangladesh? Hello. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone and set up. Okay, set up manually. Which one should I do? It says choose a Wi-Fi network. So I don't know the network password, okay, as you can see here. So if you don't mind, I'm just gonna break for a second and ask my mom what to do. Okay? Okay, so this will take a long time. My mom's sleeping, my brother's sleeping, my little sister's sleeping, so this might take a long time. But for now, we're gonna do something different. So we're gonna unbox a massive case. I think that's called. You can see it's $59.95. Not too expensive. So let's get unboxing this. Let's take this knife and just cut this through. Easy. I didn't need the knife at all. So as you can see, we have the real phone case. Oh, it looks so glossy. Oh, I like this. Let's try and put this in. I have no idea how to. Hey! It's saying hello again. Oh my gosh, it's actually hard putting this in. Oh, that's easy. Okay, I did it. I did like most of the time, so it's just that's better. Eh. Oh my gosh. Imagine I did it upside down. So as I said, this might take a long time, so don't you mind if you can get another break? So I'll take it as a yes. So okay, bye.